Hello and welcome to another video on Yusuf Onabekun's channel where we talk about business, marketing and advertising. On today's video, I'll be talking about how you can create a list, an exclusive list with either your Instagram or your Facebook profile. Now, this is different from creating a Facebook group or creating a particular private group or secret group on any of your social media. Now, this can happen in a scenario whereby probably you have a specific program you want to bring out. Now you have an email list of, let's say, 5,000 people. Out of that email list, you now want to be very sure of something. You decided to carry out a survey that probably they should join you on your Facebook page or your Facebook profile and add you up. Now the moment they are adding you up, you can easily put all of them into a group, all of them into a list. Same thing you can also do for them on Instagram. Now if you now have a special package you sold for them, probably for somebody that is in your secret list or your special list on youth on Facebook, before you decide to roll out a product, you can decide to do a pre-sale for them. Probably you want to see where you have more conversion. While you roll out a pre-sale on your email list, you can roll out a pre-sale on your Facebook profile and roll out a pre-sale on your Instagram and compare the results. Now when you are able to compare these results, you are able to know, okay, probably my Instagram converted more than my Facebook profile, or the other way around. Now this will enable you to make more marketing decision. Now without let me show you how to get that done using your Facebook, for instance. Now this is your Facebook profile. This is my Facebook profile. As you can see, I have like 3,000 plus followers and thereabout. Now on your friend list, when you go to your friend section here, these are all my friends that I have on this profile. You will see custom list. On this custom list, when you click on it, you can see a create list. Now if you create a list, let's say 50% off, let's say 50% off. Now with this 50% off, when you click on confirm, now you can easily add friends that you want only them to benefit from this 50% off. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Now you have saved it. Now this, if you want to post on your Facebook page, for instance, let's say you want to post on this your profile, for instance. Now the only person you can decide to choose that is only these people that are inside your 50% off that are going to see your content. All you just have to do is, let's say you come on your Facebook page, on your Facebook profile. Now note, this is your profile itself and not your Facebook. You can inside so when you come here and let's say you put something like discount off. Now you can see that there's the option of public here. All you just have to do is scroll down and choose that 50% off. Now the moment I post this, it is only this set of people that I've selected here that are going to see 50% off. No any other friend on my Facebook page or my Facebook profile, I mean, sorry, that is going to see this post. All I just need to do is when I post it, when I post it now, when I post it now, as you can see, you can easily see that it's only 50% off that is going to see. So this is how you can use the custom list on your Facebook profile. Now to do this same thing on your Instagram, all you just need to go is open your Instagram profile, click on messages. Now when you click on messages, you click this icon. You can decide to choose the people that you want to put in this group. You choose this. I'm citing an example, and after you select next. Now let me reload. um so let's choose this. So let's say this next. Now this group, now anytime I post inside this group, now these are the 3 people that are going to see this. Now I just need to select these people on this Instagram. So just like that, everything I share, anybody inside this group is going to be able to see it. Now you can easily delete delete all this chat. As you can see, delete chat. Let's say let me remove all this first. Remove from group, remove from group, remove from group. Now no, now you've easily just removed all everybody from that group. Now like this, the benefit of this is probably if you have, like I said initially, probably you have a special offer, or from your friend list you have some friends that you know have a particular problem and you just want to help them out without having to put them on your email list. You can easily use this custom email stuff to do as well. Probably I have some series of friends that have some health related issues, and because I don't have an email list but I want to be able to help them, maybe I've curated some series of articles that I believe can be of help to them. You know, nowadays when you post something on Facebook, Facebook hardly show it to all your friends or your followers on Facebook. So with this custom list, because you've specifically selected them, there's a high probability that they are going to see that particular post when you customize the post for them. And you can easily tell them that you and you, which is you can speak directly to them, so and so, this is going to be of help to you, you understand. So like this you'll be able to help and segregate your friends or your followers into various lists without having to mix it up with your main marketing that you have to do. Thank you very much, and see you in my next